Imagine this, you're scrolling through YouTube and you stumble upon a channel with millions of views. The videos are slick, the editing is flawless, and the voice is so captivating that you can't click away. But here's the twist. There's no human behind that voice. It's 100% AI generated, and the best part? You can do it too, for free. Now let's be real. These channels are doing the same and earning thousands of dollars every month. Most creators think they need expensive tools like Elevenlabs to pull this off. But what if I told you there's a way to create professional quality AI voiceovers without spending a single dollar? Well, stick around because today we're going through some of the best free and unlimited ways to generate AI voices, and I'm about to blow your mind. To use this tool, go to minimax.io and sign up using your Google account. After signing up, you'll receive 4,000 credits to use immediately. So how does this tool work? You have 4 different options, and right now we're using text-to-speech. I'll guide you through generating a high-quality voice for your faceless YouTube channel. Start by exploring the voice library. There are countless voices to choose from. You can filter by language, region, and even voice style. Let's say you want a calm, authoritative male voice for a motivational channel. Simply select the voice, listen to a preview, and click Use if you like it.
Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine.
In the quiet of dusk, every whispered secret of the city finds its echo in the beating heart of the night.
Once you've picked a voice, add your script. Enter the text, and the tool will generate a voiceover in seconds.
Hey there, if you've made it to this point in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and awesome content. It really helps us out. Thanks for the support.
It already sounds natural, but you can fine-tune it further. Adjust the speed, pitch, and strength of the voice to match your desired tone. For example, if you want the voice to sound more energetic, increase the speed slightly. If you prefer a deeper, more serious voice, lower the pitch. Play around with these settings until you find the perfect sound. With the free credits, you can create around 5 minutes of audio, enough for short YouTube videos or tutorials. Once you're satisfied, download the voiceover and import it into your video editor or AI avatar. In this way, you can generate as many AI voices as you want using this tool. You get 4,000 credits every day. Try it out and enjoy. But as I mentioned earlier, if you want an unlimited and completely free AI voiceover tool, stick around until the end of this video. I'll explain how you can create unlimited voiceovers with a tool that's currently free. Now let's move on to another tool. To use this tool, just go to Google, search for crick.ai, and click on the first website. Once you're there, there's no need to create an account or log in. Just scroll down and paste your script into the prompt section. Crick.ai gives you access to over 100 languages, making it easier than ever to generate voiceovers for a global audience. Whether you need English, Hindi, Spanish, French, Chinese, Korean, or any other language, it's all available with just one click. For now, let's select English. But that's not all. Crick.ai offers a variety of characters and voice styles to match your content perfectly. You can choose from Indian, American, British, and many more accents, ensuring your voiceover sounds natural and professional. Whether you need a deep, authoritative voice, a warm and friendly tone, or a youthful and energetic style, you'll find the perfect match. For now, let's select this character and accent. Once you've selected the language and character, just hit Generate, and in seconds, your voiceover is ready. Let's play it.
Hey there! If you've made it to this point in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and awesome content. It really helps us out. Thanks for the support.
If you want a different style, simply choose another character and generate a new voice instantly. There are no restrictions, no hidden costs, just unlimited high-quality voiceovers at your fingertips. With Crick.ai, you get unlimited voiceovers, completely free. Over 100 languages and diverse accents, a wide selection of characters with unique voice styles. No sign-up, no login, just quick and easy voice generation. Now let's explore another professional tool with even more language options and advanced features than Crick.ai. To use this tool, go to Google and search for TTS Free. Click on the first website. This website is like Crick AI, but with more advanced options that let you adjust voice pitch, speed, and emphasis for a more natural and professional sound. Once you're on the website, you'll see a text box where you can enter your script. Next, select your preferred language from the available options. This website supports multiple languages and accents, making it easy to create voiceovers for different audiences. For now, let's select English. Pick a voice character that fits your project. For now, let's choose Guy for a natural-sounding male voice. Unlike many similar tools, this website lets you fine-tune the voice. Adjust pitch for a higher or deeper tone. Control speed to make it faster or slower. Modify emphasis to add more expressiveness. This customization helps you create a voiceover that matches your content perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your text and settings, click Convert Now. In just a few seconds, your AI-powered voiceover will be ready. Play the generated voiceover to check the quality.
Hey there! If you've made it to this point in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and awesome content. It really helps us out. Thanks for the support.
If needed, tweak the settings for a better result. Once you're happy, hit download and save your voiceover for use in your projects. Now let's move on to the last and most professional AI voiceover tool. This one offers even more advanced features, is completely unlimited, and best of all, it's totally free. Let's check it out. The tool name is Speechma, the most professional tool compared to all the previous ones. To use this tool, go to Google and search for Speechma. Click on the first website, and once you're in, there's no need to log in or sign up. You won't see any ads on the screen. Unlike the previous tools where there were many ads, Speechma offers a clean, ad-free experience. This tool also has more advanced features than the others. To generate the voiceover, just enter your text in the box. Then rewrite the text code shown on the screen. If you're unsure about how to generate the voiceover, click on the tutorial link for help. After that, you can select the language in which you want the voiceover to be generated. There are over 100 languages available, and you can even select the language by country. Once you're done, you can also adjust the voice pitch, speed, and volume by clicking on the voice effects section. After all the settings are to your liking, simply click on Generate Audio. It will take a few moments and your audio will be generated. Let's check out the audio.
Hey there! If you've made it to this point in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and awesome content. It really helps us out. Thanks for the support.
If you like the voiceover, simply click on download and your voice file will be saved instantly. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.